Today we will start the Hindi writing. Okay, so now this is the Hindi book that we are going to write in. It is the Shabd Sulekh book. Let's go to page number 3. Now I hope you have seen the video for the Hindi swar, that is A to Aha. Now we will learn to write the Hindi alphabets. Now this is A. A se Ana. A se Ana. So how do we write A? First you make a half circle, then you take another curve, a sleeping line, a standing line, and again a sleeping line on top. That's A. It's very similar to the English 3. Again, we take a curve, then we take a second curve, a sleeping line, a standing line, and a sleeping line on top. So first you have to complete the dotted lines. Now how would you write on the next line? Now you see these 3 blue lines over here. You have to take care that you are writing within the 3 lines. So just below this A, here I will make a curve, then another curve, a short sleeping line, a standing line, a sleeping line on top. Do not forget this sleeping line on top, otherwise your alphabet is incomplete. We'll try it one more time. A curve between the top 2 blue lines, then another curve between the next 2 blue lines, a short sleeping line, a standing line right from the first to the 3rd blue line, a standing line, and then a sleeping line on top. That's how we write A. So this is how you will complete the rest of the alphabets. Take care to write one below the other. Now we'll move on to the next word, that is A. A se Aam. A se Aam. Now A is very similar to A. First a curve, then another curve, sleeping line, standing line, and now you have 2 standing lines and a sleeping line on top. Okay, since it's quite similar, I will not complete the line. I will show you on the next line. A curve within the first 2 blue lines, another curve, a sleeping line, short sleeping line, a standing line, and another standing line. In A there are 2 standing lines and a sleeping line on top. Once again, a curve, below that another curve, a short sleeping line, a standing line, and one more standing line, that is A. Whenever you write any alphabet, please, so whenever you are writing, you have to say the alphabet. So I will say A. Which letter am I writing? A. Okay. So likewise, you have to complete the rest of the words. Write one below the other in all the 3 lines. Now we'll move to the next alphabet, next word, that is E. E se Imli. E se Imli. E se Imli. Now how do we write E? You will first make a very short standing line. Now you will make a curve on the left hand side, then right hand side, turn and come down, and a sleeping line on top. Let's practice once again. A short sleeping line on top, curve on the left hand side, curve on the right hand side, turn and come down, a sleeping line on top. That's how we write E. E say Imli. Let's try it here. A short sleeping line. Curve on the left hand side. Curve on the right hand side. Turn and come down to the red line. E. E say Imli. Once again. E say Imli. Right? So you have to complete all these alphabets. The dotted lines as well as below the alphabets. You have to complete this box. Now let's move to the next page. The next word is E. This is the long E. E. E say eek. E say eek. This is very similar to E. A short standing line. Curve on the left hand, curve on the right hand. Turn and come down. And here you have a curve on top. E. E say Imli. Let's try again. I'm sorry. E say eek. E say eek. E say eek. Okay. So you have to complete the rest of the alphabets, the dotted ones as well as the alphabets below. So you have to complete the entire box. Now we'll move on to U. U say Ullu. So a curve, then another curve, take it till the middle line and a sleeping line on top. Very easy. U. U say Ullu. Once more. U say Ullu. U say, see where I joined this? It has to touch the middle blue line. U say Ullu. Next. U. U say oon. U say oon. Now how do we write oon? The first curve, second curve right till the middle blue line, and then a curve from the middle down. Oon. Again. U say oon. U say oon. Next line. U say oon. Okay. So similarly you have to complete the rest of the box. So this will be your home activity for today. You have to complete page 3 to E and page 4 E to U in your Shabd Sulit book. This is your Hindi home activity for today. That's all for today, children. Thank you.